The Inclusion House Cup was created based on some students' feedback and proposal around continuing our house competition throughout the whole year into term 3. And it's about making sure that every student can be involved, every student can participate and have some fun and connect with each other.
Really, the start of it was just surveying all the students here and just getting to know what they wanted to do, because it's not all about sport, and that's like the beauty of this cup is it can be mind games, eating games, everything.
I guess because I just saw that a lot of activities and a lot of sports didn't really include a lot of the people with the disabilities and all stuff, so it's actually a good opportunity for people to actually come out there and socialise with a lot of the mainstream kids. So it's really good that they're actually coming out of their comfort zone and just having a great time.
Part of our sport and rec subject, we had to do a collaborative task, and we chose to do a charity task, which we are running the Colour Fun Run for the Ski for Life, which is a local charity. They try to raise awareness and money for mental health and suicide prevention.
You know, it makes me feel good that we're increasing this participation, because that's been such a big thing that I've pushed for, is to get more and more kids out here and enjoying themselves, and that's what we've seen for this House Cup, so it's been great.